If you want to create anime-style, AI-talking avatars like me, then stick around. I will have Darius to show you everything in this video.
So if you want to create videos for YouTube and you don't want to show your face, you might want to add these kind of AI talking avatars to your videos, right? And you probably came across these channels, and we have Digital Income Project. They use these kind of avatars. We also have AI Guy, which he uses an AI avatar. We also have 10x Income. This guy also uses an AI avatar. So the thing is, they don't show their face at all in these videos, but they use some kind of avatar. And in this case, these are AI avatars, right? And I'm going to show you how you can create these inside of this video. And also I'm going to show you multiple models, AI avatar models that you can choose, right? And we are going to use only two AI tools. We are going to create the image, and then we are going to animate that image with the lip sync and so on. And finally, I'm going to show you how to keep these AI avatars for free, because the second tool that we are going to use, at a point you will have to pay for it, right? But I'm going to show you a trick, right, where you can basically get that avatar and use it for absolutely free. So we are going to use an AI image generator called Leonardo.ai. And this is the first step. We are going to create the image, and I'm going to click on launch app, and then I want to go to the image creation. Now, in order to create these kind of avatars, you will need some prompts, okay? But I made a video. So if you're bad at prompting, right? Because I suck at prompting, right? I struggle to come up with good prompts for AI images. And I have created a video actually, and I will link that video down in the description of this video on how to get the best prompts for AI images. But the idea is pretty simple, right? So for example, what you want to do is just go ahead and find a creator, a content creator that you like, and take a screenshot of their desk or their setup. Now, the way it works is really simple. So as I said, you find the creator and you just take a screenshot of their setup. And on Chrome, I have a Chrome extension, and it's called Awesome Screen Recorder and Screenshot, right? Now, if I click on this icon here, I'm going to select the area, and basically I will select only the area that I need. And I will click on capture. And as you can see, this is the image. I will click on done, and I will download it to my computer, right? And let's say this is the actual model, right? And I will click on save. Now with this image, what we are going to use next is going to be ChatGPT. And on this chat, you will say something like, tell me what's in this image and describe it as a prompt for an AI image generator. And I'm going to upload that image from this model, click on open, and I will click on enter. And now what ChatGPT does is going to describe the image, what's in the image, and also give me a prompt that I can use in order to create a similar image, right? And as you can see, this is the prompt, right? So I'm going to copy this prompt and go inside Leonardo.ai, and I will paste that prompt in here. Now here is the thing. Obviously you get the prompt from ChatGPT. It's a really detailed prompt, but you will have to customize it a bit, right? You will have to add your own touch to it. And using Leonardo AI, we have multiple options, okay? Because on the left-hand side, as you can see here, we have anime. And this is what I used in order to create these anime avatars that you saw at the beginning of the video, right? So you can choose anime style from here if you want to. And under the style, we have anime general, or you can use something like cinematic Kino, or something like portrait perfect, or lifelike vision. So it's up to you what model you want to create. But me, for some reason, I really love anime style videos, anime style characters, so I'm going to choose anime in this video. But if you don't want anime, again, choose the other ones, okay? Because if I scroll down here, as you can see, I created multiple avatars, okay? And these are with, what was it? Let me choose the anime, was cinematic Kino. And this is what I've been able to generate using that AI model, right? So you can do that as well. But I'm going to keep it on anime and anime general, and for the dimensions I will choose 16 by 9 because we want the landscape size for a YouTube video. And for this specific type of anime style, you don't really want to customize it, only if you are using those cinematic styles, right? And I will just click on generate. Okay, let's see what this gives us. Okay, and we have these images and I don't really like them because I want the main subject to look at the camera. So we do have to change this one. So we have create an image of a man seated in a futuristic tech studio, and we are going to say looking at the camera like so, and I will click on generate. Okay, so I'm still not satisfied with the image. Let's see what we can change. Let's get rid of this looking at the camera. Let's say close shot like so. Click on generate. Okay, so we have something good, I think, in here, and this one looks pretty good, but it's not that close, is it? So I'm going to use this one, but before I download it, I'm going to upscale it because I want a more crisp image. So I'm going to click this upscale button here, and this will turn this image into a more crisp image, like 4K image. Okay, so I don't like it. I don't really like it. Now, I'm not really satisfied with these images because I really want those close shots, and I don't understand why Leonardo won't give those close shots. So I'm going to use the prompt that I used before. The process was absolutely the same. I was using another man's video, just took a screenshot of that video, uploaded it, and I got these results. And then I change it to anime style, right? So I'm just going to go ahead here and click on reuse prompts. Now, as you can see, we have this prompt. You can copy it if you want to, and I will click on generate, right? And let's see what this gives us this time. Okay, and something is really, really wrong with Leonardo AI today. Something is really, really wrong. I mean, look at these images. This is not a good example for this video, to be honest, but I will just leave it like that. And I'm going to reuse one of these images. So let's say this one, for example, okay? So I'm sorry, guys, I don't know what's wrong with Leonardo AI today, but yeah, it is what it is. I've managed to create these earlier inside Leonardo AI. So yeah, you just have to play around with the prompts. Now, just to say I got this image, I'm going to upscale it because I want to have that crisp image in 4K quality. And there we go, right? This looks much, much better. And all you have to do is just download it to your computer, okay? So now we have the image. What we want to do next is we want to animate this image. And for this, we are going to use a software called DupDub. And as you can see, we have AI avatar in here, and this is really easy to use. So what you want to do here is just upload your photo. Okay, so we have this image from Leonardo and click on open and click on crop because you want to crop it, and just crop it from the top to the bottom like so, and this one as well like so, and just click on confirm. And as you can see, we have the AI image uploaded. Now, from here, what you want to do is just add the script, okay? Add the script that you want and also select the voice that you want. Now, under the voices, we have a ton of voices inside the software. You can also use another AI voice generator if you want to, text-to-speech software if you want to, but you will have to upload that file in here, that audio file. So for example, if you want to use 11 Labs, you will download that audio file and upload it in here. And as you can see, up to 3 minutes, but this is on the free version. Now for this example, I'm going to use their voices. And as you can see, we have a ton of voices in here for different kind of niches, and just go ahead and choose your voice.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl. She was known for her kindness and love for animals.
So for this example, I will choose this one and I will click on select. And now you want to add the script. And actually for the script, I'm just going to copy and paste something in here, and I will click on generate talking avatar, right? And basically that is it. Now, DupDub is going to process and render this video, but you will have a watermark. And as you can see, with that watermark, you will have to upgrade. But I will leave it with watermark and I will click on generate. And as you can see, it's processing, it's going to be rendered so you can download it to your computer. Now, with that watermark, I'm going to show you how you can get rid of that watermark and explain you how to use these, the same video for multiple videos. So for example, you create these AI avatar the way I showed you, but inside of DupDub, when you create these avatars, you will have to add a script that it's longer, okay? You will have to add a script that's about 500 words or something like that. So you will have around like 1 minute long video. And the idea is when you create these kind of faceless videos using these AI avatars, you know that lip syncing is not that important because obviously you will do a lot of editing, okay? You will have a bunch of stock videos going one after the other and stuff like that. So your AI avatar is going to show just a few seconds in a video, at first, at the middle, at the end, and so on. So you don't really need to have that lip sync, right? And this is how you can basically keep this AI avatar for free. Create one up to 1 minute long and just reuse it. So this one is done. Let's go ahead and preview it.
The man wears a teal t-shirt with a minimalist design, sitting in a black chair, and speaks into a white boom microphone positioned on his right. The atmosphere is modern, sleek, and creative.
Nice. This one looks really, really nice. So what you have to do is just download it to your computer. Now, as you can see, we have this DupDub
The man wears a teal
watermark in here. So we are going to use a software called CapCut, which is absolutely free. And I'm going to show you how you can get rid of that watermark. Now, inside CapCut, you will have to import the AI image and also that video. So let's click on import and add these two in here. So first of all, you want to add the video like so. And also the image, but the image should be on top. Okay, the image should be on top of the video and make it as long as the video. Now what you want to do next is to go ahead here on mask, like so, click on rectangle. And as you can see, if I drag this rectangle where the watermark is going to disappear. And let's click on play and see how this looks.
The man wears a teal t-shirt with a minimalist design, sitting in a black chair, and speaks into a white boom microphone positioned on his right.
Yeah, and basically this is it. Now, if you will edit your video in CapCut, that's really cool. But if you want to export this file, for example, just go ahead and click on export and change these settings if you want to, like 4K and so on. Just click on export and it's going to be exported to your computer. Now let's see the final result.
The man wears a teal t-shirt with a minimalist design, sitting in a black chair, and speaks into a white boom microphone positioned on his right. The atmosphere is modern, sleek, and creative.
So that is it, guys. This is how you can create this kind of AI talking avatars. And about the style I showed you, inside Leonardo, you can pretty much change the style that you want. You can do anime, real life, cinematic, and so on. And about the prompt, you can customize it as you want, okay? But the idea with ChatGPT and the screenshot of those images, that's a really cool trick that I use, and that's what I used to create that intro, right? So pretty cool. And as you saw with Leonardo, obviously it's AI. AI makes mistakes, so you will have to work on prompts, okay? Just change them a bit. And if you have any questions, make sure you ask them below, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe.